What does Swip's technical team actually do? Swip's technical team's primary function is to support and maintain high-quality installations of our rooming roof and IWI products, ensuring that all our quality and compliance requirements are met whenever our product is used.
We also provide industry updates to our customers, for example, changes in any bidding regulation, best practices, or any of the government policies that could affect funding.
This support can be provided by email, phone calls, and site visits, where we can perform technical inspection to verify our products are installed correctly.
At Swip, we are more than just a material supplier, so we have our own technical support line to deal with any issues or questions installer may have while they are on the site.
We work closely with our carding team to perform video assessments to verify first-time installs so installers can gain their permanent cards.
We also work very closely with the warranties team, as they deal with very similar issues to us when signing off warranties as we get with our inquiries. Therefore, good communication and calibration is important so that we all have the same understanding and we're all providing the same message.